Ashafo Inyetefu over Homeka FM and Ocean One TV. Mohana Kaba is about one favorite health tidbit with me, Esther Roxon. Which is the Bronye Kwe, na Finasha Sonoso, BBR Kwe, Dama Finoshe Bode, Ozanzi Panamano, O Yapa Papa, de Boshe na Pomizin Hui, na ye stay very sound, Aini Sasunti, Yer Boshe, in Fasuza or de Babo Golf, Yenimde, Yer Tinti Hena Pomizi, or Fasuzi Bebre, Sing Try Epe Golf for Bozi, or Yenny Jawman Kutino, na Imum, a Kwana Uso Boyan, when I dream on Pensimo, and ye hand physique, and ye do a bois, my overcome anxiety. And your stress, a binti, and your per golf for bankaza. That's all by the day you escape behind daily hassle. Then a good golf game gives you the best relaxation. Just a good walk in the fresh air does wonders for endorphin and serotonin levels, leading to improved mood and reduced levels of stress and anxiety. On into weighing up the risk, any reward element of a particular shot, totting up scores, and the other various facets of the game all aid in keeping the mind very sharp. Sayeshe impendudwa yazanantwa brayabo golf game na. The golf swing in itself is great for providing a full body workout. Each full swing exercises arms, legs, back, and abdomen with numerous repetitions over the course of a round. Approximately 30 plus times for accomplished players and many more for novice golfers. On inti Oviara ne Chefawum o Sunday same tumumpuna ambo 18 holes ni nyinara etum eye 9 o yepo esin obia oye strenuous lengthy gym workout. On inti at Coconut Grove Beach Resort Elmina Yermawa Kunyano to connect with friends and nature on our 18-hole golf course or our mini golf course. We are open 7 days in a week. For more details, call us on 0244 333001 or 0263 018707. Coconut Grove Hotels, memories worth repeating.